If you want to start using Beehiiv, you should click on the link in the description to get 30-day free trial and 20% off. To change Beehiiv landing point domain, click the profile on the upper right corner and then click your name and you will redirect to settings. Find the publication and click on it and then click domains. You will see here your domain. Now, to change Beehiiv landing page domain, go to your web domain, then click update URL, and that's it. You can change your landing page domain. Note guys that you should always indicate a dash because Beehiiv doesn't accept space or underscore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.